Hi, my name is Sandy and I'm with the Maids Home Services. I wanted to talk to you about how to clean plastic kitchen countertops. This is actually Formica. It's definitely not going to be a granite or Corian countertop. It does look and feel plastic. You can definitely clean it with an all-purpose or a grease cutter solution. This is a fantastic orange action and it'll do just that. This has some grease with dust and dirt on top of it. So what I would do is go on ahead and spray the buildup areas. I'm just going to moisten my cloth with the product. Take a scrubby and just kind of go over the areas, tending to the backsplash. It gets dirty too. And just making some straight overlapping strokes, working your way down. I'm going to take my cloth and just wipe it off. Everything seemed to come out really good. Didn't need any additional scrubbing. The good thing about these Formica and plastic countertops is they're very sturdy and you really just can't damage them. You can scrub them as much as you need and pre-treat as much as you need for the countertop to become clean. But that would be how you would clean a plastic kitchen countertop.